And I am here with Ahmad Bahar, who I met today in Kuwait in my AI at Work masterclass with KCC. And Ahmad taught me a few things that I didn't know because, you know, with AI, you always keep learning. He taught me how he, as a blind person, is using AI to make his life a little bit easier. Ahmad, thank you for taking the time to do this.
Well, thank you. And first of all, it was really nice meeting you and learning from you. I learned a lot from you, to be honest, way a lot. It was a pleasure, and I felt like we didn't spend enough time in terms of learning, and I hope that you'll be conducting more workshops in Kuwait, and I'll be there for sure, hopefully, with the next workshops that you're going to conduct in Kuwait, inshallah. In terms of how I use AI in my life as a blind person, I use AI in many different ways. One of them is with image recognition. So as you can see, I'm wearing the Meta glasses. And with them, I could ask the glasses to describe what I'm looking at, and it'll describe them to me because it uses the Llama model by Meta, plus, of course, the camera and the speakers. So I'll take a picture of the camera, analyze it with the model, and then I'd be able to hear the description of the speakers in the back of the glasses. One of the ways that, one of the main ways that I use the glasses with recognizing images is basically if I want to take a picture of something and I want to make sure that the shot is perfect before taking the picture. What I do is I try to look at where I want to take the picture and then ask the AI to recognize what I'm looking at. And based on that image recognition that it gives me, I take the picture.
I love that.
Yeah. So that really helped a lot.
Ahmad, can we try it?
Yes.
Can you ask it what does it see?
Right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Show me.
Hey Meta, describe what I'm looking at.
Sitting in a chair, holding a smartphone in his hand. He appears to be taking a selfie or recording a video.
Describe the smartphone.
The smartphone has a white case and a black screen.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Yeah. So this is one way that I use the Meta glasses. Another way, which is also amazing, is that so it has a partnership with Be My Eyes. And Be My Eyes is a service that enables us blind people to connect to random. Sorry, 1 second.
Shut up, Meta. We're filming.
Stop. So I'll just take it off.
No problem.
Easy. So back to what I was saying. It has a partnership with Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes is an amazing service that was launched, if I'm not mistaken, around 2014, 2015. Basically, what it does is that it has random volunteers that are registered on the service who are sighted, and it has blind people registered through the service. So if a blind person decides to use Be My Eyes, he on the app, for example, he'd go and tap that Call Volunteer button. After tapping the Call Volunteer button, the app will connect you to a random volunteer around the world, and it will connect to them through video. And then the volunteer is able to see what you're pointing the camera at, and you can ask them questions like, if you need help with something. For example, let's say I want to know where my bag is on the table. Or let's say, for example, I want to combine two colors, for example, in my shirt and jeans. I'd asked him to help me with that. Well, with these glasses, since they have a partnership with Be My Eyes, I'm able to tell the glasses, Be My Eyes, or call a volunteer, and then it will automatically connect to a volunteer through Be My Eyes, and the volunteer is going to see what I'm pointing the glasses at. So basically what the camera is pointing at, the volunteer is going to see it, and I'm able to talk to the volunteer using the glasses and let them just,
But the next step is taking the human out of this loop and having the AI models answering you.
Yes.
Okay,
So
help
with
me.
with the glasses, you have, of course, Meta AI. With Be My Eyes, you have something called Be My AI, and you can use it on your phone, and it uses OpenAI, since they have a partnership with OpenAI.
Hello.
And also with the glasses, you have live video AI. So basically, you can use Meta AI or Llama to recognize what you're looking at as you're looking at it. Instead of taking the picture, you're able to talk to the AI model using like a multi-model approach. We're using image recognition and, of course, audio at the same time.
Yeah.
That's with Meta. And with Google, you have, of course, live video AI, similar to live video here on the glasses.
Yes.
With Google, they're now they're sort of working on continuous monitoring.
Oh, yes, you told me about this in the morning.
Yes.
Super interesting.
Yes.
What is continuous learning?
So basically, continuous monitoring, what does it do is that it monitors the frame as it changes. So I'll give you an example. Let's say I'm cycling through shirts and I want to find the right color shirt. I tell the model, hey, I want you to look at the shirts that I'm going to show you. When you see a red color shirt, I want you to tell me that this is the red color shirt.
Love it.
So as I'm pointing the camera at the different shirts that I have, as soon as it sees the red color shirt, it will tell me. It's still not that great, to be honest, and it doesn't always work at all. It rarely works, but
it's still in its infancy.
Yes,
All these
yes,
AI tools are still in
yes.
their infancy.
But I can see that in terms of a live video AI, I believe that Gemini is the best.
Hello.
From what I'm seeing so far, and from what I've tested so far, to be honest, Gemini is amazing.
Yes. Ahmad, tell me about that example you mentioned about the taxis, like ordering a taxis and using continuous monitoring for.
Yeah. So another example is, for example, if you want to get a taxi, and instead of ordering an Uber, you want to get a normal taxi. You tell the AI, hey, I want you to look at the cars passing by, and when you see a taxi or a yellow car or orange car or whatever, I want you to tell me as soon as you see the car. So when it sees the car, it will tell you, and you'd be able to hail the taxi. That's one way of using the AI. Another way to use Gemini is letting it analyze and recognize and describe videos for you as a blind person. So you, for example, if you wanted to describe a YouTube video for you.
YouTube video.
Yes. Yeah. You copy the link, and then you give it to Gemini, insert it, and tell it to create an audio description for that video, of course with time segments and everything, and it will be able to create an audio description, of course, but it's in text.
Yes.
But basically, it's describing the video frame by frame.
Amazing.
And that is amazing. That's wonderful. And I really hope that Google will work on that more, and especially when it comes to at least audio description, because I feel like, at least with audio description, especially when it comes to describing, TV shows and movies, it is very limited, especially when it comes to providing audio descriptions with different languages. So if Google works on that, I believe that it'll be much easier for us to have, for example, an Arabic audio description track for a movie that is in English.
I love it.
Or vice versa.
Yes.
So that would open the field for us blind people to watch different movies or TV shows in different languages, and it'll be way easier for us to have audio descriptions. For example, if let's say I want to watch a Japanese anime or a Korean show, I don't have to wait for the streaming service to create an audio description in English. I can just use Gemini.
Create it yourself.
Yes.
I love that. I love that. Ahmad, I can talk, but I know we need to go. Guys, Ahmad has been up since 4 a.m. in the morning, and he still attended my entire class, and he was still kind enough to give us this interview. It's very inspirational. This is a call to all of the big companies, Google, OpenAI, Microsoft, Meta, all of you guys, especially those here in the Middle East. We want these features.
Yes.
We want the pipelines of these features, and we want them also fine-tuned for Arabic. And these are the kind of features that impact lives. AI is not just for work. AI is not just for fun or drawing those fun Ghibli images. AI can change lives. The moment that AI started being able to speak and to see, we're living in a completely different world. And today with Ahmad, we saw a glimpse of what our world could be tomorrow with AI, and especially how it can affect people of determination. Ahmad, I can talk to you for hours. I would love to host you again on a longer podcast. But for now, I would just like to thank you for giving us your time and your information.
Thank you for being here, and thank you for the workshop, and thank you for having me. And in terms of the message that you sent to all of these companies, I definitely agree with it. And we, as blind people in the Arab world, we'd love to help. We're here to help in terms of providing data, in terms of experimenting, in terms of testing, in terms of providing ideas. We are here, and we'd love to improve AI with you so we can make it better for all of us, no matter what our disability is.
Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Meta, all of you guys, Anthropic, add this to your to-do list. High priority. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye-bye.